section. Main contains my app class, which extend the stateless widget. Stateless widget basically used for the static content. If your widget contains a static content, so we used stateless widget here, and it contains initial route. We have sign in first, so we moved on the sign in page. So sign in page contains the sign in class, which extend the stateless, and reason same, because it contains all the static content. So here we use hero widget to fulfill our requirement. So wrap is on the scaffold, and it contains the column, and column contains a image, and image overlapped by some text. So we used stack here, because whenever we want something overlapped, so we used stack for that. So we use stack, and in stack we have a container and welcome text and to controller room control. So in the container, in the initial container, we have just a draw line, so we draw the line using this container. So after that we have size box for the spacing purpose, and after that we just created the sign in form, which contains the icon of person, and expanded the text of hint text or controller of the text controller field, which takes the input of username and the password. After that we have sign in button, which performs that we navigate on the sign up page. So we moved on the sign up page. So it also contains the similar type of text, but there is a little bit difference. So difference is here, we use back button. So we created the back button using the stack, because we put over the screen, over the image, so that's why we use stack here, and it will pop up on the main page. So let's run this code and watch is my thing was achievable or not. So here is my code run, and we have like similar animation is there what we used in the. So we completed our task. gmail.com. So done. Yeah, thank you guys, keep watching and like, share, subscribe my channel. Thank you.